ice cream manufacturing production facility, Cranbourne West, Victoria. This is your chance to acquire a fully established ice cream factory with large-scale production capacity for asset value only. Substantial investment has been made over the past 3 years in plant, equipment and product range. Take over the lease on this purpose-built, council-approved facility with full compliance and permits in place. The asset sale includes $800,000 worth of equipment, fit-out and infrastructure ready to produce from day one. With production capability of 600 litres per hour, you could potentially generate a turnover of $2 million to $3 million per year. The mixed-use zoning allows you to open a retail shopfront to boost revenue, if you choose. There is huge potential to diversify into frozen desserts, sorbets, dairy-free or plant-based ranges. You could also partner with supermarkets, FMCG or startups for bulk and private label production. Entrepreneurs with a passion for innovation could build their own brand without the risk, time and cost of starting from scratch. Stock, recipes and branding, including a recently launched popsicle range, are available at an additional cost.